Alright boys, we're going to the racetrack.
Oh shit.
We're going with that.
We're parking Cayuga. A little bit south of Hamilton, a little bit not too far from Hamilton. Having a good day. Literally just brought a car that we were going to scrap, and hey, we're gonna have fun with it. We can scrap it, get $500, or you know what, spend $200 and just have a good day out. So it's got a regular 2004 TSX, nothing crazy, not much done to it. Anybody can buy these cars for less than $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. Come out, have a good day. Instead of driving around 410 and 400 series highways like an idiot, you can always come to the track and have a good day. And nothing special, you don't need nothing, no licenses, nothing required. Just come out, respect the rules, have a good day, and hey, you know, bring a little snacks, maybe, you know, beverage or two, and, you know, as long as you're not acting a fool, you know, don't be the reason you want to be kicked out. You have a good day. And here we are, we're just having a good day, and we're gonna see what happens. Make sure the car doesn't blow up, and if we do, hey, we'll have to push it on the trailer somehow.
They're glowing fucking red, dude.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. That's me. Fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Nothing. There's nothing into this. So check it out. So you can just go get it. So this is what we're driving. It's just a regular 2004 TSX. Really, there's nothing special. Honestly, it was my buddy's driver every day. All he did was put the intake. You can tell we put hockey tape on it because you know we're Canadian. They said, well, we'll deal with it later on. We never did. But hey, it still holds. And the thing's still going. Like, this car is just dead easy to work on. Super simple, super stupid. Like, you can't really screw it up, and we're hitting crazy times. Like, not even that, who cares what times we're having, the more fun that we can. Rev her up, Chad? And the temperature is still, the water temperature is still 85. Too hot. This turn is a piss off to me right now. So I want to change it. That turn is the reason why I want to change it. Because or I'm taking it too hot. Why? The back end feels. What was that? Yeah, there you go. That's what happens, you fucking clown. Muppet. Don't know how to drive your own fucking car, but you have enough money to spend license plate, private license plate, 2A, you ding dong.